Hi, in this new series, we will discuss how we can install the latest Oracle Apex Application Express 24.2. So, we will start from database. As per my previous videos, I have already installed the database 23 AI on my computer, on my Windows operating system. So if I log into MySQL Plus and sysdba, so you can see that my 23 AI free release already installed and running. We have two PDBs in this database, and we already installed Oracle Forms 14c. So if you don't know how to install about database, about forms, so you can see my previous series. But in this series, I will show you how we can install the Oracle Apex 24.2, the latest release. As I'm just recording this session just 2 or 3 days. So we will first download our Apex. For downloading it, just write Oracle Apex download. So it will redirect us to the Oracle website. So you can see the Oracle Apex 24.2, all languages and English language only is available on Oracle website now. So my downloading is start. Meanwhile, I also need the ORDS for running our Apex as a standalone. So I will also download that Oracle ORDS download. So as of this date, when I'm recording this video, we have a latest Oracle REST data services 24.4. So I will also download that. After downloading of our software, we will extract it into a location. So I will extract it in my desired location, which I have already generated previously for my forms, DB, and other configuration. Now I am creating a folder Apex for extracting the Apex. So meanwhile it is extracting, we also extract our ORDS, Oracle REST Data Services. So I will extract it in the same folder with the different name. Let's say it's ORDS, and I will extract it here. After the extraction of our Apex folder, we will copy our Apex path and run the CMD as administrator and go to our path where Apex is extracted, and here we will connect with our database. So in my case it's 23 AI. So I will connect to my sysdba user and I will alter my session to free PDB1 that is by default available in 23 AI. So here we will run the command of apex installation. Here we will write the command of apex installation, that is apexins.sql. I will use the default table space, that is sysox, and temp as my temporary table space, and I will run this command. So it will start installing our apex. It will take a few minutes. After the completion of our apex installation, now we will run the command of our setup, password setup. But before that, we will check that we are in same PDB or not. So you can see our connection name is free PDB1. So we are in the same PDB. So now I will run the command of our password setup. So my username will be admin, and my email will be the for password, make sure it must be case sensitive and some special character. Otherwise it will not accept that. So my password has setup show con name for just confirmation that we are in same PDB. And now we will run our command of alter user apex public user So this command will unlock our apex public user, which is necessary. And next will be our apex underscore rest underscore config.sql, and next our apex rest config. So this will configure our apex listener. We will set a password for that, and we will set up a password for apex rest public user. Okay, so our configuration has been completed for apex. Now we will exit from this window. Next we will go to our ORDS directory, ORDS folder, and here we will create a folder with the name of config. So this folder is for saving of our configuration files, and I will copy this path, and in the same window I will go to my path okay, cd ords. Here I will write my Java version. So I have already installed the Java version JDK 21. So if you don't know how to fulfill this prerequisite, you must need to see my previous video, which is on database and on Java installation, because this is very important step here. So I strongly recommend you, if you don't know how to add an entry in path variable and how to configure Java properly, so you must need to see my previous video. So after Java version, I will write my command java-jar ords.var and double dash my. After the word of configuration, I will copy my path of configuration folder. I have copied my configuration path, and I will run a command like this: java-jar ords.var and then my configuration directory path and install. So this will start our ORDS installation. So you can see it's asking for a database connection first. So I will choose the default one. My DB is at my local host. My port is also the default 1521, and my service name is free pdb1 as of my free 23 AI PDB. I will connect to my sys user as a sysdba, and I will put my password of sysdba sys user. Okay, so here it is an important step that we need to configure this apex static resource location. So this will be our images folder, which is available in our apex. We can copy that folder into our ORDS, but we can also um, copy this path and refer it to our apex static resources. So I am copying this path. I'm copying it from here, from apex same folder. Okay, for putting that, first you need to press the 9 button, because on 9 serial it is available that we can alter our apex static resources location. So I will press the 9 and enter, and you can see it's asking for our apex static resource location. Now I will paste my path of images folder, enter. For the testing purpose, I'm also changing my port from 80 to 8081, and rest configuration will be the default. Press enter. So it will start our installation and configuration of ORDS. It will take a while. So you can see after the complete configuration, our ORDS server is started, initialized. So we can test now from our browser. I will write localhost and my port is 8081 and dash ORDS. So you can see my Apex is installed successfully. My SQL Developer Web is also available here. I will log in into my internal workspace or with the admin URL. So you can see our Oracle Apex 24.2 is successfully start. So that's it for this video. If you follow my video, you can have any question, any type of question you can ask, but please make sure that you must fulfill all the prerequisites that I have followed, so that you cannot face any error.